Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by naming what you will not accept, list 3 non-negotiables and why each matters to you. Once done, pick one immediate action for interactions. Say no, pause the conversation, or leave the situation. Make sure to record a recent example with date, words used, and outcome to see the pattern. This builds evidence and reduces doubt. Practice a short phrase you'll use. Rehearse it aloud so your voice and body match your intention when you need to stop being used. You now change how you respond. Start by limiting availability, accept no more than half of incoming requests, and schedule time for your priorities. Once you say no, offer a conditional alternative. I'll help if you cover X to keep control. Next, change the mechanics. Move tasks to formal channels, loop in a supervisor, or reassign roles. These steps reduce informal exploitation. Keep firm language and follow through. Consistency trains others that your boundaries are real and not negotiable. You finish by closing loops and preventing relapse. After a boundary breach, reinforce it within 24 hours with a calm, clear statement and the consequence you'll enact. If the person ignores you, remove access, document incidents, and get support from peers or HR. One practical troubleshooting move is a neutral script plus an exit plan. State the boundary, wait 5 seconds, and leave if it's crossed. This predictable response ends manipulation. If pushback escalates, prioritize safety and escalate to formal channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.